All right, I just test rode this bike all over the neighborhood, and it's wonderful. It runs like a striped ass tape. I mean, it is just a ball. Now, it's very short, it's very low geared, and it's got a very sharp throttle. So once you get used to it, once you know the bike, once you own the bike, it's great. First gear is good for about 25 feet, and then you change gears. It's geared real low. And boy, I got on it one section of road that we have up at the top of the hill, and I ran all four gears, and let me tell you, it's in good shape. So I'm perfectly happy with the bike, and I'm going to let it go. The client can now take it and ride it for a while and see if there's anything that he wants looked at. And that's just the way it is. All right. Over there stands my audience, way over there, doing stuff on my workbench with my tools. What can you say? All right, so I'm ready to release this. This is ready to go.